Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to organize assignments as agenda and create a dedicated announcement channel. To assign agendas and share announcements, start by creating a team that brings together all students, teachers, and administrative staff. To do this, go to Teams and set up a new team just as we practiced in the previous videos. Select the class template and give your team a name, for example, Grade 1, Agenda and Assignment. Now add all the members you want to include in this team. You can either add the entire class that was previously created or enter the students' names one by one. Be sure to assign the team class or all the students as members. Now add teachers and administrative staff as owners, so they can publish agendas and announcements. Your class team has now been successfully created. Here you can create an assignment as an agenda item in the same way as in a class team. Go to Assignments, then click on Create and then choose New Assignment. You can review the video on assignment for more details. Add a title to your assignment, for example, English assignment. In the instructions field, type the agenda details you want to share with your students. If you have any document to attach, click on Attach and select Upload from this device. Choose the document you need and attach it. Set the assignment's due date and due time. Leave the points field empty if the assignment is not graded. When you've finished, click Assign to publish the assignment. After a moment, a notification will appear confirming that the agenda assignment has been published. Now let's move on to learning how to create an announcement. Each team has a general channel that's accessible to everyone, where you can post messages and share information. However, in this channel you cannot control replies from students. To post announcements and keep them safe from replies, you'll need to create a dedicated channel. To do this, click on the three dots next to your team's name and select Add Channel. Name the channel Announcements. Set the channel type to Standard. Click on Create. Now let's manage the rules for this channel. Click on the three dots for more options and choose Manage Channel. In the Edit option, you can change the channel's name if needed. In the channel moderation settings, turn moderation on. Here, disable all permissions for team members by unchecking all the boxes. By doing this, you make sure that members cannot reply or make any changes. This keeps your announcement safe and always visible. Now in the announcement page, click on Post in Channel, and then click on the announcement icon. Once clicked, a header will appear to enter a headline. You can customize your announcement headline by choosing a different color. Type your headline title and then add a subheading. To make sure the announcement reaches all students and necessary persons in the team, tag the same team you just created and add the required details by typing @ and the class team. Add the details of the announcement in the description, and when you're finished, click Post. And that's how the post will reach all the concerned people in this class team one by one. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.